Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to fix a Face ID isn't working after updating to iOS 18. Don't worry, follow these steps to fix it. First of all, you have to open the camera app on your iPhone and switch to front camera and check if your camera is black or not working. Then if your camera is not working, your Face ID won't work either. Now the second step is you can force start your iPhone. Press the volume up and volume down button quickly and hold the side button and select to power off. It will refresh your network, and if any bug is on your iPhone, it will fix it. This refreshes the software without deleting any data, so try it. Also disable content restrictions from your iPhone because sometimes this problem occurs because of that. So basically go to screen time on your iPhone, tap onto it, and then you have to search for content and privacy restrictions. Here you can see the option content and privacy restrictions, tap onto it, and if it is turned on, turn it off, and that's it. Now the step 4 is you have to reset your Face ID on iPhone. Tap on Face ID and passcode, enter your passcode. If your Face ID is not working, now you have to reset your Face ID. From here you have to tap on to reset Face ID or change your Face ID. And as you can see, I don't have any Face ID, so it is not showing here, but it will show to you. Just reset your Face ID and update your iOS. Go to general, tap on software update and update your iOS if an update is available. So that's it. If this video is helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you in the next video.